Here's a 7-day beginner resistance training workout plan to help you ease into it. This plan will focus on full body workouts with a mix of exercises to target different muscle groups. Remember to start with lighter weights and focus on proper form. As you get comfortable, you can gradually increase the weight. Day 1. Full body. Start with a 5 to 10 minute warm-up of light cardio, like brisk walking or jogging. Then, move on to 3 sets of 10 to 12 squats, followed by 3 sets of 8 to 10 push-ups, or modified push-ups if needed. Next, perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 bent-over rows, and hold a plank for 3 sets of 20 to 30 seconds. Finish with a 5 to 10 minute cool-down by stretching. Day 2. Rest or engage in light activity, such as walking or yoga, to keep your body moving. Day 3. Upper body. Begin with a 5 to 10 minute light cardio warm-up. Then, do 3 sets of 10 to 12 dumbbell bench presses, followed by 3 sets of 10 to 12 shoulder presses, and 3 sets of 10 to 12 bicep curls. Continue with 3 sets of 10 to 12 tricep dips, using a chair if needed, and end with a 5 to 10 minute cool-down of stretching. Day 4. Again, rest or do light activity such as walking or yoga. Day 5. Lower body. Start with a 5 to 10 minute light cardio warm-up. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 lunges on each leg, followed by 3 sets of 10 to 12 deadlifts, and 3 sets of 10 to 12 leg presses. Then, do 3 sets of 15 calf raises. Finish with a 5 to 10 minute cool-down by stretching. Day 6. Core and flexibility. Warm up with 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio. Do 3 sets of 15 bicycle crunches on each side, followed by 3 sets of 10 to 12 leg raises, and 3 sets of 15 Russian twists on each side. Finish with 3 sets of 12 to 15 Supermans and a cool-down of stretching or yoga for 5 to 10 minutes. Day 7. Engage in active rest by doing a light, enjoyable activity, such as walking, hiking, or gentle yoga. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Always prioritize form first to prevent injuries. Stay hydrated before, during, and after workouts. Eat a balanced diet to support your training. Make sure to get adequate sleep to aid in recovery. As you progress, you can adjust the number of sets, reps, and weights according to your fitness level and goals. Enjoy your workout.